In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number in Chase for Zelle. Begin by opening the Chase app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, you can log in. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon. Tap on that icon to access your account settings. After tapping on your profile icon, a menu will appear. Scroll through the options and select My Settings. In My Settings, find and tap the option labeled Phone. This section allows you to view and update the phone numbers linked to your Chase account. On the next screen, you'll see the current phone number associated with your account. Tap on the number to edit it. Enter your new phone number in the provided field, and once you've entered it, review it to ensure it's correct, then hit Save. You will receive a passcode from Zelle or Chase to confirm the new number, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.